Hello coders, welcome to handling missing values in Pandas part 2 tutorial. In this video I am going to explain you NA underscore values parameter of read underscore CSV. So before I explain you this NA underscore values, let me first load our dataset. So import pandas as pd. So now let me load our dataset using pd read underscore CSV data underscore m1.csv. This dataset I have created just to explain you the concept of NA underscore values that you can download it from my GitHub account. Link is given in the description of this video. So now let me press Shift tab to check the docstring of this read underscore CSV. Now here you can see NA underscore values, which is by default none. Now let me check the documentation of NA underscore values. So in that we can pass scalar value, means only one value. Also we can pass string. Also we can pass Python list. Also we can pass Python dictionary. That I will explain you practically. So please remember, while you are reading your dataset using read underscore CSV, Pandas automatically parse your dataset for missing values. Parsing means analyzing strings of your dataset. So if it finds from this set, it will interpret as a NaN. That means this one. By default, the following values are interpreted as NaN, and Pandas will put in our dataset NaN if it finds any of these values from our dataset. So let I press Ctrl C and let I press Ctrl V. So now here you can see in this dataset this NA, this NA, this NA, this NA and null that you can see. So which is part of this strings. So Pandas, when you read this dataset, Pandas automatically convert these values to NaN. These values to NaN. But some of the values that you can see over here. Let I open the another dataset that you can see not available, wrong data, NA values. So these strings NA values, wrong data, not available, these strings are not part of these values. So Pandas can't understand what to do with these values like NA values, wrong data, not available. Sometimes missing values are not in a format that can be detected as a missing values by Pandas that you can see over here, like not available, wrong data, NA values. Still these are missing values, but there is a no way read underscore CSV function knows this unless we specify it. So we can use NA underscore values to indicate additional values other than these values to be recognized as a missing. So please remember, NA underscore values parameter is used to tell Pandas that consider not available, wrong data, NA values which is not part of these strings as NaN and print NaN in place of not available or NA values or wrong data or any other strings. So that we have to tell Pandas explicitly by using NA underscore values parameter that hey Pandas, please consider these values also as NaN. So while handling missing values, we can also handle these values. So please convert it into NaN format. So now let I show you this practically. So I have used the data underscore m1 dataset to explain you NA underscore values. So let I first copy and paste it over here. Now let I first use string. So NA underscore values, in that we can pass scalar value or string. Let I copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V over here. Now as you can see over here, now not available is converted into NaN that you can see over here. Not available is converted into NaN. So if we want to pass multiple values simultaneously, then we have to pass it into the Python list. Now let me consider this wrong data. Now you can see over here, these all now converted into NaN. Also we can write other. Also we can write other values like NA values that you can see over here, which is now converted into NaN values. So now suppose if you want to consider only these column values as a NaN, I do not want to touch marks column. I want to consider only grades column values to NaN. So to explain you this, let I copy this dataset first. So for that we have to pass Python dictionary. So in that, let me first display our dataset. So I want to consider only grades column values as a NaN. In that, not available, I want to consider as a NaN, that you can see over here. So now if we want to consider multiple values of grades column and convert it into NaN, then here we have to use Python list as Python dictionary values. Now here we can write another like wrong data of grades column. Now you can see not available and wrong data values are converted into NaN. So please remember, Na values parameter is used to tell pandas that consider this not available, wrong data, Na values or any other values which are not part of this default strings. Then we have to tell pandas explicitly, hey pandas, please convert these values also to NaN values by Na underscore values parameter. Still, if you have any doubt, then please write in the comment section of this video. I will try to solve it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.